Okay, welcome back, boys and girls. Your learning target is still the same. You're going to tell and write time to the minute, quarter hour, half hour, and hour. We're going to be looking at time to 1 minute this time. You're going to write, first of all, you're going to write the time on the digital clock, and then secondly, you're going to write how to say the time. We're going to be introducing this concept of hills, where it means one. You're counting by ones then. Okay, so let's get started. Step one, you're going to be finding what's your hour hand pointing to. The hour hand is just past 9, but not quite to 10. So we're still in the 9 o'clock hour. So I'm going to go on and write 9. Next, I'm going to go on and count by fives, like I normally would do. Starting at the top of the hour. 5, these are your mountains. 5, 10, 15. Now, look right here. Do you notice how there's the minute hand is pointing between 3 and 4. So I can't go on to the next large mountain because it's not pointing at the 4 for 20 minutes. So now I have to count by ones. And this is the introduction of what the concept of little hills are. So these are worth 1. 1 little hill, 2 little hills. So that's equals to 2. And this was 5, 10, 15 minutes plus the 2 minutes equals 17 minutes. So that's what we're going to write, 9, 17. Okay? So how can I say this? I can say this as 17 minutes after 9. And so let me go on and write that. 17 minutes after 9. Okay? I don't like drawing out the number 9. Let's write the words. You guys need to practice spelling these. Okay? The next one, let's do problem number 33 together. Where is your hour hand? That's that shorthand. It looks like it's after 4, but not quite to 5. So that means we're still in the 4 o'clock hour. So now we're going to get ready to count our mountains. That means count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. Now look, I can't go to 25 because that minute hand is not at 25. It's not at 5 for 25. So now is where I have to do my little hills. Remember, and those are worth 1. Count by ones. 1, 2. Okay, it's pointing right here. 1, 2. So that would be plus 2. 5, 10. Some people write 5s in there. 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 plus 2 more minutes equals 22 minutes. Now, how can you say this? You can say this as what it is. 4, 20, hyphen 2. Okay? So try problem number 34 on your own. Pause the video, try problem number 34 on your own, and come back and get the answer. Okay, so if for problem number 34, you count by fives and then you had 2 ones left, 2 ones, you were correct. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Remember, and if you determined that you were still in the 8 o'clock hour, great job, and put 8 for your 8 o'clock hour and then 32 minutes. So you could say this as 32 minutes after 8. Okay, I'll go over that again. You're counting by fives for your minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I stopped at 6 for 30. At the 6 o'clock hand, it's the 6 minute hand for 30 minutes. And then we had some ones there. 2 little hills. Okay, 6 mountains and 2 hills, 30 plus 2, 32. So try problem 30 to 35, 36, and 37 on your own, and then come back and get your answer. Okay, so for right here, if you did your hills, your mountains, and your hills, first do your hour. It's still in the 5 o'clock hour. Counting by fives, that gives you 30 plus 3 little hills for 1 minute each, 33 minutes. 33 minutes after 5. Okay, so for problem number 6, 2 mountains, 1 hill, 5, 10, one more makes 11. We're still within the 6 o'clock hour, so 6:11 or 11 minutes after 6. Problem number 37, counting by fives all the way around. And then 3 little minute hills. It should have equaled 48. So your answer should have been 3:48. And now down here, it just wants you to write the time on the digital clock. So pause the video and go do it, and then come back and check your answers. Okay, welcome back. Here are your answers. You can pause this video so you can check your answers. And thank you for watching this one. We're going to go on to the next lesson. Remember, keep practicing. The more you practice, the better you get, I promise.